Hi guys, today in this video I am going to show you how you can register business account on TikTok. So the first step you simply need to do is to open TikTok application and click on profile in the right bottom and click on three bars on the top right and click on settings and privacy. Then you simply need to click on account and switch to business account. As you can see, I already switched. Then you need to go back and click on three bars and click on business suite. Here you need to click on business registration, click on this tick mark and click on register, and here you need to provide your business information and click on next, and then the TikTok team will take 2 to 4 days to register your business on TikTok. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you, have a good day.